It's a match between the two sides, longest serving teams. Sundowns hosting Kaizer Chiefs in Soweto, to edge closer to Orlando Pirates, who are currently in 2018 champion. Sundowns want to make it a second time for Tiro van Rooyen to get a win in this match. Front, Mohamed Boyers between the sticks really let Sundowns get a destination. Oh, the pride and the dignity of the Coast Nation Kabuyelo when they say in minutes awaits Dstv Diski challenge. Now it's all half with the ball and making it to the opponent's half here. That's a movement from Kaizer Chiefs looking for a pass in, yeah! Well, Nkwesa every time he's got the ball, he knows.
Beautiful passage of play. Look at how Nshogwane able to disperse the ball to Kwesa. Eventually looking and sizing the options up front. It was those long legs from Setole that were enough to concede a corner.
Indeed, this was a good ball rolled in and a small in the ball here. Kaizer Chiefs are in transition. There's a man, Malifo, igniting the fence. Nkwesa makes a call. Nkwesa intending to cross. One of the things that a Kaizer Chiefs team would have always. And this man, that's Malife. Malifo is waiting for Nkwesa wherever he is. He's watching very closely. Ball is launched into the box here. Now Spande gets a touch. Sets up Bennett Mukwena. Now another chance for Litaku. Buzz has to be strong enough.
Great layback from Mukwena, and eventually Litaku is on the fault.
Now Malifo. Kwesa and Malifo have been trying to combine something now. Cut back here. Looking for power, but now young man might have gotten the pass wrong this time around. That's Powers. Now here's a movement for Sundowns. Oh, that block has the money all over it. Of late has been training with the first team. That's a Bennett Mukwena. Now good movement here. Sundowns are on side. So that's block after block here. Ref is in the way. Still a chance for Litaku. Oh, Kaizer Chiefs
defeat it down and eventually protecting the ball. Look how he's rotating. He's looking for passing options. But that movement, it was enough. That dink from Kwena and the cutback from Kwane. Wow. Unfortunately for Masisi, in fact, Sibande couldn't find the passage he was looking for. Coach Tiro, that level of patience against the stubborn Kaizer Chiefs do they have?
Can we see some stubbornness from Sundowns? Crosses in the box here. Oh. Gumete's clearance, not convincing enough, but he's wide. This time around finds Malifo. So Malifo 1v1. Hlongwane cuts it in. Ooh, there's a chance for him. Finally gone wrong. So playing very competitive football, week in, week out. Now, can you see something nice and strong this time around from Litaku? There's two kids. Kekana to take this one, goes for the far post. Now there was a scaffolding there, but the ref paid no attention. It was told.
Gomed how he's strangling Sitole so that he doesn't get that first nod, the confidence. He's expecting conviction in front of goals.
Now there's a movement in front of goal here. Ball is Gabriela have gotten it. There's a Nangamana has done it for Mamelodi Sundowns, and a goal that they really need. And any goal for them will be a confidence booster for the Yellow Nation. No, in the lead.
It's the persistence of Spande on the right-hand side. That clip, it was enough that found in Ngakabane in the middle without any detection and eventually slotted in with his between Boas' legs to get the opener for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Weight of the pass plays a vital role here. He knew how to pinpoint Ngakabana
in this game.
Now, ball is in the box here, looking for two. He's on the money. The man that's playing on the right-hand hatches. Spande again. Spande is forcing his way into the box. It's a 1v1 situation. Spande goes for goal. Oh, very vital touch. Bennett Mukwena with a turn. Litaku could go for goal here, but passes Mukwena. Mukwena looking for Kekane now. Touch is a move in this instance. Spande's move.
Impressive with Boas. His presence of mind and the agility makes him to pull such beautiful saves. But look at Mokoena finding and maneuvering that Chiefs defense. Unfortunately for Kekana, just balloned this team. But look at Bowers, who was well covered.
Patiently playing. That's all they need is Mamelodi Sundowns goes galore, and the pressing is paying off for the Yellow Nation. This man once again, it's a Ngabana at the right place.
Kaizer Chiefs starting from the back with Bowers to Gumede. Eventually Perhu looking for those openings. Look at Kagabane coming like a lightning and eventually winning it over the top and with a break attack to find his second goal. And this is what Sundowns have been striving for, looking for that opener. And after that high press, they managed to get the brace. So it
here. Oh, pass, he's on side. Ngobane's timing is rather paid. Image is victorious here. Ball is wide here. Sundowns in search of the third goal here. Sekuba should have went for a shorted goal maybe to 10 downs. Are in search of increasing their goal scoring tally here. Now, good work, denies. Stano. Chiefs going all the way to the other end to Nkwesa. Shirts of Kaizer Chiefs are in the box, but the cross is diffused by Tiamo Masisi. Dstv Diski challenge. They have rather struggled to get themselves now. Ball is in the box, yeah! So Bennett Mukwena's search for his golden boots here. And Tebogo Mlangeni introduced. Neo Bushluku introduced. Brother, that's Sean Els. That's introduced. Now ball is just crossed into Egan Freeze. Still ball for Sundowns to try and get something here, but nothing. And here Sundowns on an attack. Bennett Mukwena's open. Mukwena! Now he wants to unleash something here. Cross into the box now. Here's the setup. Oh, cleared by Gume. Pass instead of playing it so simple. He lands on Bennett Mukwena! Good venom coming from Bennett Mukwena, but the touch from Bowers Muhammad. He wins possession of the ball and lifts his head up, and he knew what he wanted to do.
that upright. I mean, look at how he's traveling with the ball and the control. It was Bowers at the mercy of the up.
Now, here's a movement here. Here we come again. Keeper denied. There's another volley. Bennett Mukwena's
Here, he'll be more getting up.
Now, here's a movement here. Kawana goes down. Ref says goal kick. Oh, offside flag rather. Oh, there's a flag up on Uhlongwana. Oh, Kaizer Chiefs supporters already ready to just celebrate this moment. But picked up the Uhlongwana is